Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Okta in a React Native app using IDX, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Okta in a React Native app using IDX, you will first need to set up your Okta developer account. Visit the Okta developer website and sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, create a new application by navigating to the Applications tab on the dashboard. Choose the option for Web and make sure to select OpenID Connect as the sign-on method. Enter a name for your application and configure the redirect URI for your React Native app. In the settings, you will find your client ID and client secret. Make a note of these, as you will need them later. Next, install the necessary dependencies in your React Native project. You will need the Okta React Native SDK along with any other required packages. Run the command to add the SDK using npm or yarn. Once the installation is complete, create a configuration file for your Okta settings. This file should include your Okta domain, client ID, and client secret. Set up the authentication flow by importing the SDK in your main application file. Initialize the SDK with the configuration details you saved earlier. Now, create a login component where users can input their credentials. Use state to manage the input fields for username and password. Add a button that triggers the authentication process when clicked. In the button's onPress event, call the login method provided by the SDK, passing the username and password. Handle the response to check if authentication is successful or if there are any errors. If successful, store the user's session or access token securely. For better user experience, you can also implement a loading state while the authentication is in progress. Next, set up navigation in your app to direct users to a protected route upon successful login. For this, you will need to create a user dashboard or home screen that is accessible only to authenticated users. Implement a logout functionality that clears the session and redirects users to the login screen. Finally, test your authentication flow thoroughly to ensure everything works as intended. Check that users can log in and log out without issues. Make sure to handle any edge cases, such as failed logins or session expiration gracefully. You now have a fully functional authentication system using Okta IDX in your React Native application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.